So this is the first of a series that I will be doing from now on. It's going to be going through the Hiragana and Katakana of Japanese, and this is the vowel row right here. A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. And now after this, we're gonna start by practicing. And the order is very important. Down and around like that. I'll show you again. Down and around. Down and around. Almost a circle, but not quite. That was A. And E. Like that. E. Here's U. E. U. Sorry, U. And here's E. Here's O. O. Like that. You want it in that order. A. I. U. E. O. You don't want to pronounce E as an I, the I as an I. You want an E sound. That's how the I is pronounced. And you want E for the E. You do not want to pronounce it like E. You don't want to pronounce E like an E. You want E. E. And O is not a long sound. It's not O, it's O. Is like the on father. It's not the A as in cat. You don't want that at all. It's ah, 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 I, U, E, O, like that. We'll practice again. Oops, that was O. Nope. Ah, you want it that way. Ah. And here's E. Here's U. And E. It's kind of a fancy H. And O. Ah. I. U. E. The fancy H. O. Just like that. And now we're going on to the next row, which is the K row. K row. Here's Ka. Remember, you want to do it in this order, which is Ki. And this here is Ku. Here is Ke. Don't worry, I'm gonna show it in a row again. Here's Ko. And you see those little brush marks? You want those there. E has them too. See? The little brush strokes right there? They're actually part of the symbol Ko. In a row again, here is Ka. Here's Ki. Remember to do the horizontal first with Ku. And oops, here is Ke. And here's Ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Just like that. Practice again. Here's Ka. Here's Ki. Here's Ku. Ke. It's a little brush stroke. Here's Ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ko. Like that. is like e and u. Ke is like ke. Ke is like ko, and o. They're all pronounced the same, if you haven't noticed yet. So, see, we have ka, ki, ku, and ke, and a ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Just like that. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Now we're going to do a little review of the last two rows we did. And here is ah, ah. And here's e. Here's oo, oo. Here's and o. Oops. Need to write my own letters right. Here's ka, ka. Here's ki, ki. And ku. And you want to do ke with the little brush stroke. Ke, ke. Here is ko. Right there, ko. With the little brush stroke there too. Now we're going to do the Jiro. You're probably going to think it's a little crazy, but it's not that crazy because you kind of already know the Jiro. And it's because of these little marks right here, called Dakuten. They're important. Here's the Jiro. I'm going to start in the correct order. And, well, that looks familiar, doesn't it? But this is ga. It's not ka, but it's ga because of those Dakuten right there. It's basically ka with Dakuten, which will turn it into ga. To remind you, here's ka. That's ka. But here is ga. There's a difference. Ga. And we're going to do gi. Now, look, a ki. The Dakuten is gi. See, we have ki. The Dakuten turns into gi. Gi. See, here's a ki. With the Dakuten, it turns into gi. Because if you haven't noticed, what the Dakuten does is it hardens the sound. So here is gu. Gu. Which comes from ku. Just with some Dakuten on top. Gu. Here's ku. And with Dakuten, it turns into gu. Gu. And here is ge. Ge. Just like that. And if you haven't yet noticed, if you say ke aloud, ke, here's ke, and then you say, oops, and then you say ge, if you notice where your tongue had been, when it hit the top of your mouth. That's what makes a G sound. So here's go. Say go. And remember, it's not go. It's not like our go, like I'm going somewhere. It's go, go. It's a short sound. Go. And here's ko. At the Dakuten, with something that hardens the ko sound, it turns into go. See, there's a symbol for ko. And with Dakuten, it makes go. Now we're gonna go back and we're gonna do a little bit of some review. If you remember what this symbol is. What is this is? O. This is O. This symbol here, do you remember what this is at all? This is E. E. You want to pronounce it like E, as in feed. Like that. E. 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 It is not the I in English as in it. It's not that at all. You never pronounce it like that. It's E. E. You know what the sound is? It's ga. Remember the Dakuten there. Ga. Remember the A? It's pronounced as in father. Ah. Ga. It's not like the A in cat. And that's ga. It's ga. 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 Remember the order is important. You want it to do it like that. So, and this symbol here is ki, if you remember. You know how to pronounce that by now, right? And symbol here. You remember what this one is? This one is gu. Gu. It's pronounced like that O there in food. Gu. Ooh. Goo. Goo goo. It's not like an ugh or beautiful. It's always like ooh. Ooh. Just like that. Now we're gonna go over it again. Here is ah, e, oo, eh, o, o. Ka. Did a little out of order. It's alright. Ki was done perfectly. Here's ke, ko, and and ga. That's a little sloppy looking. Let's move that down. Ga, gi. Here's gu. Oops. Nge. The Dakuten. And here is go. A, I, U, E, O. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Now I want to thank you for joining me in learning the first 3 rows in the Japanese hiragana. It's the vowel, K, and G row. Thanks.